Welcome to Hampton Roads Happenings. I'm Leanne Rains-Benedetto. All right, if you have diabetes, you're probably taking some form of medication, but is there a natural way to get those numbers under control? Blood sugar numbers we're talking about. Dr. Mark Scott joins us. He's with the Total Health Center, and thank you very much for joining us. You have such an interesting approach to medicine and diabetes in particular. What special challenges do they face?
Oh, well, diabetics, they have just about every condition that you can think of as related to diabetes. So diabetes is a very broad, encompassing condition, and it can relate to cholesterol, blood pressure, and many other conditions.
Most people are taking some form of pill or insulin, and
Yes.
when they come into the Total Health Center, what do you do for them?
Again, what we use is called functional medicine.
Right.
And with functional medicine, we're going to utilize the most scientific lab testing with the wisdom of natural medicine. So just to say you have high blood sugar or type 2 diabetes,
right.
Your doctor is going to run maybe a fasting glucose, a hemoglobin A1C, hopefully, and then recommend some type of medication. He'll bring those numbers back into the normal ranges. And that's it. That's kind of the solution. But does anybody even really ask the question, how did I get here and how do I get back to the place before I needed medications?
And almost everybody with diabetes goes, how did I get this? What happened? Well, what are the possibilities of what happened?
Well, the biggest thing is that, a lot of people will try diet and they'll do what's recommended diet-wise, and then they won't be able to get their numbers under control.
Right.
So then they end up, on medications, and that's what needs to be done at that point. But from my approach, we're going to actually dig a little deeper. And a lot of my patients may have a digestive issue that's preventing them from absorbing nutrients properly. And that can actually relate to the reason why they're not able to use diet. So there could be a food sensitivity. There could be something going on with the adrenal glands. And we need to address those because you're never going to get your blood sugar under control unless we address those problems. So it's not just the diabetes, it's not just blood sugar, there's underlying issues that need to be handled.
So very quickly, after somebody calls you up and gets a free consultation, what exactly happens then to find out what these underlying issues are?
We're going to do a detailed consultation, a detailed history. We're going to look at all your previous lab work, and we may recommend some more blood work, some questionnaires, so I can truly understand from a broad spectrum what's going on with you as a person, not just looking at your blood sugar.
And you've seen success with this, obviously.
Yes, it's amazing. We're actually able to actually get people to reduce their dosages on their medication and improve their quality of life and reduce things like triglycerides and cholesterol and weight. You're never going to lose weight unless you really
know what's going on within your body. All right, Dr. Scott, thank you for joining us. If you're interested in this information, there's the phone number to call and also the website to take a look at if you want to find out how to get your diabetes under control in a more natural way.